blessed with rich natural resources such as rare animals found nowhere else in the country. However, it is disheartening to note most species are threatened under endangered or critically endangered categories. The local government unit of Bayawan City, in partnership with Talarak Foundation Incorporated, presents Danapa Nature Reserve, the Noah's Ark in Bayawan. Danapa Nature Reserve, a 700-acre protected park in Sitio Danapa, Barangay Nangka, will be the new home for some of the captive breed animals, a safe home by our Big Five and other important amphibious species as well as insects, giving them a taste of freedom. This will be the first of its kind in Negros, a living classroom, a chance for Filipinos to witness our flora and fauna in natural setting. With Danapa Nature Reserve stand as a stepping stone for our critically endangered species, breed in captivity, to return to their natural habitat. Bayawan City, making this dream a reality. Ibayaw, Bayawan!